Yeah, man, we doing a how to wrap a Fender on YouTube. I'm live streaming, you know what I'm saying? And I'm getting some meta clips. I call this meta clipping. Yep, so check out my shorts. I be making short content. So in case you missed the live stream, you want to catch some of the highlights or catch some of the techniques, you know, look at my shorts. I just dropped a video on how to remove the door handle, the door panel, and all that. So you got a Camaro, you looking to do some work on it, you know what I'm saying? I already dropped the video on how to remove the door panel, the door handle, and the mirrors. Once I get that torpedo heater tomorrow, it's gonna go way faster. It's just going slow because I'm constantly gotta heat the paper up. But once I get that torpedo heater, I ain't gonna need no heat gun. I ain't gonna even need a heat gun. Alright. And then when you get done, you always gotta wrap the edge. How much would a wrap cost for a Nissan Tundra? A truck, that jump be like about $2,800. So I get that jump done about $28. That's a good deal. Look it up. How much it cost to wrap a truck? That's a good deal. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. All right, now I'm trying to get your air pocket out. Yeah, I got it out. Man, that heater gonna work magic tomorrow. Why would I tell you? I'm already seeing my problem. It's too cold. It's too cold. I'm already seeing. Then once I get that heater, man, why would it do? Why would that bit do? What would that bit do tomorrow? Or tonight? Shit.